Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we'll see how to cancel a reservation, how to reschedule a reservation, and how to modify a reservation for a restaurant. Now, this workflow is something that we are actually building for a client, and this is going to be a little bit different. And the reason for that is we actually do not have the access to make these changes. So, to give you some context, the reservation platform that the client is using has all these features, change, canceling, rescheduling, and modifying. But the platform team, when contacted, they told us that they cannot give us the access to their private APIs through which we can make these changes. So we only have the option of using their public API through which we can do checking the availability and reserve make reservations. So we're now left with no choice but to find some kind of workaround for this canceling and rescheduling and modifications. So in this video, I'll show you that. So let's get into it. So yeah, this is the workflow that we are using for the restaurant. And I know this looks simple, but it works. At the end of the day, that's what you want, something that works, right? Okay, now I'll briefly explain, how it works, and then we can get into the details. All right. So, whenever a customer calls and requests for any of this cancellation, rescheduling, and modification, we basically the agent, the AI assistant stores the details in the Google Sheets, right? But that's not enough, right? For example, you are running a restaurant, you are the manager of the restaurant, and you are in the middle of the business, you are in the middle of the day, and somebody calls in and asks for a cancellation. And okay, the assistant stores in the Google Sheets, but the manager really can't, or the staff who is in the charge can't really open the Google Sheets and check every time, right? So what we are doing for that is, along with storing the details in Google Sheets or any other CRM for that matter, we are also using Telegram. So what happens is, whenever customers ask for any of this, the person in the charge gets a message on their Telegram app. Now it's easy. It's way easier, than checking in your CRM, because once you get a notification, you can easily see the details, and then you can uh, do the process. So basically, on the Telegram app, the staff gets a message like, "Hey, you have a request for cancellation, and here are the details: first name, last name, and number, and the reservation date and time, and this is a cancellation request." So the staff member can easily now cancel the reservation, right? So this is the workflow. This is the idea. Now I know you all must know how to use Google Sheets and all that, so I'm assuming that you already know, so I'm not going to get into that. But we'll see how to create a Telegram bot. So, yeah, I'll briefly explain all of this, and then we'll get into detail on how to use Telegram bot in make.com. So, as you can see here, once this webhook gets triggered, it goes in one of those three routes. So either if it's cancellation, it goes this route; if it's rescheduling, this route; and it's modification, this route. And all the data gets stored here. So for example, let's say the customer requested for rescheduling. We store their name, their last name, their phone number, their current reservation time, and the new reservation time that they are trying to make, they want to make. Okay. And after that, what we're doing is we are using a ChatGPT module to structure all this data. So I use this prompt saying you are a strict formatter. You can read this. So basically, what I'm trying to do is, I want the agent to come up with a message like this, you know, basically saying, "Hey, Mr. Miller, there is a rescheduling request. And this is a first name, last name, phone number, current reservation time, and rescheduling time. And that's it. You get this message on your Telegram app. And now we'll see how to create a Telegram bot. Okay. For that, we need to create a Telegram connection here in make.com. So for that, just add a module, and we need to just search for watch updates. So this module, what this module basically does is whenever you send a message, this Telegram bot gets triggered. This module gets triggered, right? So yeah, we need to create a new hook, add a new hook. For that, okay, Telegram testing YouTube. Okay, we'll use the same name for the webhook name as well. Telegram testing YouTube and webhook. I don't know, such long names. Anyway, so we need a token here, and to get this token, we need to go to Telegram, and here you need to create a. Okay, you need to search for bot father. So this is where basically we get our tokens for creating new bots. So for that, just start and use slash new bot. So we need to choose a name and also make sure that just and the name with the name bot. So for example, Telegram testing YouTube now, and the name with the bot. Okay, or else you'll get the error and it'll ask the same thing. Okay. Mm, yeah, that's what I did. So what the fuck, guys? Okay, let me remove this. Okay, the Tetris bot. Okay, testing. What the fuck, guys? Okay, let me just YouTube, Telegram, testing, bot. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, this makes. Okay, I don't know why it showed me it is invalid. Yeah, we're just following like the example. But anyway, we have created a bot, and this is our token key here. Now use this token key and go to your make.com scenario and just fucking paste it here and just save it, and that's it. Your connection has been made, and save and save. All right. So now we'll test this. Okay, save the scenario as well. Okay, for that we need to test if this, watch updates module is working or not. All right. So for that, just run this once, and we need to go to that bot chat. So for that, just press on this link. No messages here. Start. All right. Now, as you can see, we have already sent a message. I mean, it already sent an automated message, so it should get triggered. It got triggered. Now, as you can see, uh, okay, there should be, yeah, text. As you can see, it's given here. So yeah, we have done the first part. Now, second part is creating the actual bot, creating the actual module here. So I'll tell you why we have created this. We are not going to use this anyway, but I'll tell you why I created this. Okay. So yeah, add a module, the send a text message or a reply module, and open it. And since we already created a connection, we can just select. Dude, what is it, man? Yeah. So we have so many. Okay. which one is this? Let me see. Okay, Telegram testing YouTube. All right, this one, right? Telegram testing YouTube. Okay, this is the one. So now, as you can see here, since I've already created it before, I have this chat ID, but we need to enter a chat ID. Chat ID is basically the ID of the bot, where we receive the messages. All right, receive the messages from the AI agent. All right, so we need an ID for this. Okay, as you can see here, we have created this Telegram bot watch updates module, especially for this to get the chat ID. So once you open this, uh, just open the message, and as you can see, you have the ID here, right? Just use this ID and paste it here, and that's it. Um, yeah, save, done. Okay, we don't really use this, so just delete it. Do whatever you want with it. Okay, okay. Now just save. Okay, now yeah, that's it. The Telegram bot has been created. Now we'll test this. Just use run and then go this. So this is the agent that I've created here in Vapi. So we'll just ask for a rescheduling because I think yeah, this route belongs to rescheduling. So let's need to reschedule. Okay, Max Miller, and my phone number is 123456789. Okay, current reservation time tomorrow 8 p.m. tomorrow 7 p.m. Yes, it is. All right. So rescheduling has been done successfully. Now we'll check our scenario. Yeah, it ran perfectly. Now we'll see our bot exactly. Now we got the message, right? Mr. Miller, there is a rescheduling request. Actually, I mean, I use the same name, so that's why it is using Miller here and also Max Miller here. I don't know why I use this name, but I use it all the time. Yeah, so first name, last name, phone number, current reservation, and rescheduling time. And that's it, guys. That's how I am planning to do. Uh, this is how I'm planning to add this feature to the current reservation system. And let me know, guys, what you think. And let me know if you think there's any other way or more efficient ways to add this feature to the current system. And also, if you have any doubts, or if you want to talk anything about this, please mention down in the comments. I am happy to help, happy to chat. And that's it. Yep. Have a great day. Bye bye.